Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited for this video. Finally, my order got here yesterday and it only took 20 days to get here, which is shocking. So basically, I'm gonna try this AliExpress $8.6 only polygel nail kit, and it's my first time trying polygel ever in my life. So yeah, you get top coat, base coat, you get the slip solution, you also get a nail filer, you get this pen that has like two sides, which is very important. You're going to use this all the time. And then here are the colors: soft pink, pearl pink, pink, and nude, and then deep nude, and then clear and white. So you get 7 colors. And then you also get this mini SUN or sun UV light. I was so happy about this, but wait for it, okay? There's a story about this. Next you get the like nail shapers things and a clip, which is useless. So I started by removing my nail polish and then cleaning my nails. I tried to push like the cuticle, but I don't usually do that, so I was kind of just, yeah, pretending. No. And then you want to kind of gently file like the whole nail, gently, I'm saying, but you want it to not be oily. And then pick the exact like sizes of your nails. You want it to cover the sides, it's very important. And so I found for all my nails except for like the pinky, because they didn't have a very small one. So I had to like file down the smallest one they had to kind of make it the size of my pinkies. Is it called a pinky? Yeah, I think so. But it worked out pretty well, honestly. But yeah. So yeah. About this, so I got this charger thing and it didn't work. It's not the right one for the machine. Like they got me another one. So thank God I had one that fit the machine. So yeah, very disappointed though. But yeah, I'm putting the top coat on my nails and then I am curing it for 60 seconds. So basically when you turn it on, it only works for 60 seconds and then it will turn off. And the machine worked pretty well. I've seen reviews and some of them say it didn't work, but some of them say it's broken. So thank God I only needed a new cable, but the rest of the stuff was okay. So the top coat, pretty sticky and it stays sticky even when you cure it, so don't mind that. And then I'm dropping a bit of slip solution, which is basically alcohol, I would say. And you're gonna need this basically to like blend, like tap on the polygel, or else it would stick if you're not using the slip solution. So I went for soft pink as like the main color. And this is me discovering how hard it is to get the product out. I thought it was like soft for some reason, but yeah, they're not dried, which some reviews said the product came dried, but mine was good, I would say, I think. So that's my first attempt. So I'm not here to teach you, I'm not a professional at all. This is my first time, but I think I did pretty well for a first time. And I'm trying to show you if this is an easy kit for a beginner. And I think it is. It was hard and it did take 4 hours. By the way, don't mind the clip, it just ruins everything. Don't use the clip. Don't use it. Yeah, so applied it on my first and then cure it both sides. Don't forget to do the other side. So I'm not happy at all with the first nail, but it gets better, trust me. And I will try multiple designs, which I will tell you about. So peeling it off is easier than actually like just popping it off for some reason. Kind of hurts. And also, don't worry if the light, like UV light, burns a bit. Like, not a lot, but it's just hot. It feels hot. If it burns, I think there's something wrong. So here's me doing the second finger, and also not very proud of the second one. I had to fix it, and this is just to show you that you can easily fix it. I would say it doesn't look as good if, yeah, like it's better if you do it good from the first time, but whatever. Don't forget to cure when you fix it, by the way. So for the fourth finger, I decided to go for clear and add some like pink glitter inside. So I put like a very thin, not very, but like a thin layer of clear, and then I just dropped pink glitter and put it like everywhere. And then I cured it for only about 20 seconds. So once it's cured, I took it off, I added a bit of clear, and I kind of like sealed the glitters in a way, and then I put it on my finger and cured it like normally you would. And turned out pretty good. Just the only thing I'm not happy about is the glitter that I have. It's not shiny, it's just like matte glitter, which I don't know. It's pretty good. And then for another finger, I decided to try the ombre look. So I put some white and then I like blended it into some pink, but they look very similar, so it's very subtle, I would say. It doesn't look like a very clear ombre, but it worked and it was pretty easy to do. And then I cut all my nails because they were so tall and I was not gonna let them like that. And then time to file them. This is my favorite part. It took like an hour, but they just looked so much better after filing. And here they are. I also cut like some of the edges with like a cuticle scissor. And then I washed them with water before applying the top coat. And I was expecting the top coat to be sticky, just like the base coat, but it wasn't. After curing it 2 times, it was pretty good, I would say. And here is the final result. I love that! Okay guys, so as a final review, I've had these nails for about 2 days. I'll update you a bit later. I know 2 days is not enough to judge on how good they are. They did not break yet, and I'm someone who uses my hands a lot. Like, I do very harsh movements, and so I think pretty good for now. Overall, I think it is beginner friendly in a way. If you watched my video, then you can easily do it on your own, I would say. The only disappointing thing, as you saw, is that the cable of the SUN Mini did not fit the actual machine, so I would keep in mind that a possibility of something like this happening is highly, like, it's possible. Based on the reviews I saw on AliExpress, some people got dried up products, some people got a broken SUN Mini. So anything can happen during shipping or from the manufacturing company. But overall, for me, I got lucky. I had a cable that fit the actual machine, and luckily the machine was working wonderfully. Like every 60 seconds it would dry up my polygel, so that's amazing. As it is my first time doing polygel, please let me know in the comments down below how I can remove them at some point. I have no clue. Do I have to soak them in some special liquid? That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next one.